I treat every job like it's life or death. Always had a passion for cars. The before and afters, the mine work that's involved, as well as the manual labour. It's a skilled job, very rewarding, very therapeutic. I would call it sophisticated. Prep is everything. Getting ready to go into the booth, to pull the trigger. You turn the booth on and the sound of the fans just motivate you. It almost feels like I've got my life on the line and this job counts. It's not just the job, it's also the customer service, how you are as a person. I'm here to provide you with a good service and probably make you smile.